Introducing the new Det-Tronics explosion-proof smoke detector, U5015 ClearView 3D. Now featuring an upgraded smoke sensor with proprietary 3D sensor technology, designed to significantly reduce false alarms while maintaining fast, reliable detection. Advanced detection algorithms distinguish real smoke events from everyday disturbances, delivering smarter performance where accuracy matters most. Dual wavelengths and dual detection angles work together to create a detailed 3D particle analysis model. Improved internal diagnostics with automatic checks performed every 10 seconds. ClearView complies with FM 3230 requirements and key standards, including ANSI UL 268 and ANSI UL 268A, operating effectively with smoke obscuration performance for different fire types that meets rigorous industry standards. Upgrading from existing U5015 SmokeWatch detectors is easy. The new ClearView smoke sensor modules are not only hot swappable, but backward compatible, allowing customers to adopt ClearView with minimal effort. The Q5017R duct mount retrofit kit also allows existing customers the convenience of upgrading quickly without opening HVAC ducting. For applications such as living quarters, performance has been validated and achieved using computational fluid dynamics analysis, ensuring equivalent detection to standard systems, even in demanding airflow conditions. Smarter detection, easier upgrades, proven performance.